These are the top 5 countries where my entrepreneur clients came from. They have one common point. These countries are all high taxes. They impose significant profit tax, personal tax like dividend tax, salary tax, and VAT. The high taxes is a primary reason why my clients seek to relocate to low-tax jurisdictions that are more tax-friendly for foreign entrepreneurs, such as Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia, where many of my clients choose to reside and establish their tax residency. Relocating involves moving yourself and your family and your business to avoid paying high taxes in your home country after you leave. And if you're at this stage, this video is for you. I will share a real client's case study who is from Netherlands and now staying in Bali. We will walk through his journey from why did he choose Hong Kong and what is the setup process from incorporations and transiting his Shopify store with local banks and payment gateway in Hong Kong. Also, most importantly, we will talk about the tax benefits he got from the Hong Kong offshore setup. Watch until the end to find out more. This video is packed with practical information, and I'm Raymond, a licensed CPA and tax advisor based in Hong Kong. Unlike the other non-CPA agency, we offer one-stop services for Hong Kong incorporations and ongoing legal and tax compliance. Subscribe for more professional tips on Hong Kong and international tax strategy. Let's dive in. Before this Dutch clients came to me, he did a lot of research about the offshore setup, comparing different offshore structure, mainly 4 of them: Dubai Free Zone, US LLC, Hong Kong, and Singapore. Let's see why he chose Hong Kong finally. There are 3 points he considered. First of all, he wants stable and international banking infrastructure that can offer the global multi-currency account and free flow of money. Dubai, it is a bit complicated to keep the bank accounts there if you are not living there. US LLC, Wise and Mercury are very good options, but it becomes not that reliable for foreigners as they start closing their accounts if you cannot provide the physical address in US. Singapore and Hong Kong, international financial hub, so of course you can expect the world-class fintech and traditional banks there, which works well with foreigners. Next, he needs international payments gateway to run his Shopify business. Although all these options offer Stripe and PayPal, there's a lot of feedback complaining about the declined transactions when they want the Stripe under the Dubai company. So these clients tend to avoid Dubai Free Zone as it requires a reliable and stable payment gateway. The final requirements, like most of my digital nomad clients, the Dutch needs the offshore setup with low, simple, and clear tax system. Dubai Free Zone, not tax free anymore, but 9% corporate tax if the company earns over around 100,000 US dollars. So it's not a very ideal for clients as his business size is much more than that. US LLC, I've explained many times in my other videos. There is a tax loophole issue that may raise the personal tax risk for owner under the passport arrangement. Singapore, there is an offshore exemptions very similar to Hong Kong. However, there is a big limitation other than the requirements of local nominee director. The business transactions couldn't process within Singapore. It means the client has to open a bank accounts in other jurisdictions like Hong Kong for receiving payments, plus the VAT system in Singapore, which makes the offshore setup more complicated and uncertain. So the clients didn't go with Singapore but Hong Kong. First, there's no VAT in Hong Kong, and the offshore exemption rules state very clear that the company is eligible to pay 0% tax if the entire operations are completely outside Hong Kong, while the banking is allowed. So, after a comprehensive consultations with me, the clients engage us to execute the incorporations, and let's look in the timeline here. Day 1, we connect the client's passport, residential address proof, and business information for our internal KYC process. We then proceed with incorporation paperwork remotely. Day 2, we file the company registrations applications and successfully open the company within few hours only, complete with business certificate and all official documents. On the same day, we connect the clients with our partner fintech to open a business account with Aspire and Air Wallets, Stripe, and PayPal. The process was self-serve and remote, taking around 30 minutes for each account. The clients upload the personal and the business proof, including the bank statements and the historical sales data from his Netherlands company. We came to day 5. The whole setup was complete. Aspire and Airwallex activate the business account, and both Stripe and PayPal were ready. The accounts could start transactions immediately on day 5. Yes, things really happened to these accounts within the 5 days. This is also very common and basic scenario among our thousands of clients. After setting up, the next significant step was relocating the Shopify business to Hong Kong. Shopify supports Hong Kong registered companies and Shopify payments, allowing my clients to quickly transfer the Shopify store to Hong Kong company. The accounts connected to the new Stripe and PayPal accounts to Shopify's linked to the DBS local accounts offered by Aspire for payouts. For supplier payments, the accounts no longer need to pay Chinese suppliers in USD via wire transfer. Instead, payments were made directly through the Airwallex accounts using the local transfer method in Chinese RMB, saving time and hassle. Daily operational expenses were managed using the Visa debit cards from Airwallex and Aspire, keeping the accounting record organized. Last point, and also the most important point, what kind of tax burden these clients will have under the Hong Kong setup? There are 4 parts. Number 1, no VAT or sales tax in Hong Kong. Number 2, no profit tax liability because the company operations, including the sales, purchase, and shipment, were conducted outside Hong Kong, qualifying the company for the offshore claim status and pay 0% tax rate annually. Number 3, no capital gain tax in Hong Kong. When the clients want to sell the Shopify store, the lump sum payment he received is tax-free, as this is considered as a capital gain. This also applies to all investment income under the company's name, such as the capital gains from selling the stocks transactions via the Integrated Focus Hong Kong. Number 4, no dividend income tax in Hong Kong. The clients can withdraw dividends from his 100% owned company at any time and any amount without tax implications in Hong Kong. In summary, Hong Kong is an ideal location for setting up and running your international business remotely. Like this Dutch client who is residing in Bali, thanks to the mature company system, tax system, and the banking infrastructure in Hong Kong. Of course, this setup is suitable not only for e-commerce but also for other industries like trading and consultancy. If you are looking for the professional setup assistance with certified accountant based in Hong Kong, don't hesitate to book me a one-on-one consultation call. I will guide you through the process based on your unique situations. Have a good one.